Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a password-protected folder in Windows 11. To secure your folder, we'll use the built-in encryption method in Windows. Start by locating the folder you want to protect. Right-click on it and select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the Properties window, click on the Advanced button at the bottom. A new window will open. Here, tick the box next to Encrypt Contents to secure data and then click OK. Once you do that, click Apply in the Properties window. If you're encrypting an entire folder, you'll also be asked whether you want to apply encryption to just that folder or to all the subfolders and files inside it. Make your choice and click OK. Now, your folder is encrypted and protected. You'll notice a small padlock icon on the folder showing it's secured. Keep in mind that this protection works with your Windows account. This means the folder can only be accessed by you when logged into your account. If someone logs into your device with another account, they won't be able to access the contents of the folder. That's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.